Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math. Session 4 today for subtracting 3 digits. Look, it says complete the example below, then solve problems 1 through 3. That's your job today. I will have this linked, of course. Now, I am seeing an open number line here. I don't see any drawings. Does that mean you have to do an open number line? Absolutely not. Please go back to Monday's video if you need help and if you want to see tools, because on Monday I showed exactly how to get to your book online and print if you want, or do them right online and you can use the little tools that are there. Really, really cool. New thing. So it says Carla has 725 roses. She uses some to make a float for a parade. Now she has 142 roses. How many roses does Carla use for the float? Your turn. I want you to read it. Her name is Carla. Go. Adding or subtracting? Yes, subtracting. Hey, it shows us this equation. Look at this. Boys and girls, remember yesterday when I said, how are you going to check? All you had to do was add 276 plus 51 and see what you got. And guess what? It gave you 327. So, look at this. Here is the open number line. They started at 725 because that's the biggest number. Also, it is where we start with a subtraction equation. The biggest number comes first. Then they wanted to get to the closest 100 because that's going to be easier to subtract from. So they took away 25 and they put it up here. Then they had to get all the way down to 200. Okay, so they skipped 500 here. Then they skipped 50 to get to 150. And then, boop, 8. And all you need to do is add 500. I have that. 25. I have that. 50. Have that. And 8. I have that. Then you will have your answer. It's just like subtraction when we did double digits on the number line. You're adding what you took away to find that. So again, like a number bond, the biggest number is 725. If 142 goes here, we are looking for the missing partner or the addend to this equation, okay? Remember, the 2 at the bottom add together to make the guy at the top. This is the total, okay? Now, our answer here, since we're subtracting, will be called the difference, which we did a paper on that. And here is our answer, 583 roses. Okay, now 800, we're going to move to the next one. Okay, because 853 plus 142 makes this. Remember we talked about our fact families and how you need everybody to make a family? It's the same thing, guys. It's just bigger numbers, so don't let it scare you. Gus has 872 pennies. He gives 725 pennies to the pet shelter. So kind of like how we did for the kangaroos and the koalas. How many pennies does Gus have left? Key word to know its subtraction. 872 minus 725. Is 8 bigger than 7? Is 7 bigger than 2? Is 2 bigger than 5? Look at, he says, do you need to regroup? How? Which number is too small? What do we need to do? What do we need more of? Do we need more hundreds? Do we need more tens? Or do we need more ones? That really little tiny fly right there is your hint. And, boys and girls, on the back, it's the same thing. Look at, this is what I was just talking about. How could you add up to find the answer? They need to paint 525 pumpkins for the fair. They have painted 193 so far. How many pumpkins are left to paint? 525 minus 193. How do you want to show your work? Do you want to use an open number line? Or do you want to start with 525 and subtract? Or do you want to do expanded form where we say 500 plus 20 plus 5 is 525. 100 plus 90 plus 3 is 193. It's another way. Down here, boys and girls, there is only one answer. It says you can add or subtract to find the answer. Mrs. Diaz has 185 stickers. She gives some away. We don't know how many. Now she has 139. How many did she give away? We're subtracting 139 from 185. What do you mean? What does that mean you can add? I think it means you have to add the two little numbers to get this. So you could add this plus this, this plus this, this plus this, or this plus this, and see which one's the right answer. Or you could subtract. Ria chose D as the answer. How did she get it? So we have some work to do today. This page is linked. And of course, you can go back to iReady, log in, go to your bookshelf, go to Unit 3, Lesson 17, Session 4, and there it'll be. Can't wait to see your work. Bye.